Homework 7, question 6, higher maths. A triangle has sides with equations y equals 7x minus 6, 8y minus 5 equals 3x, and 10x minus 9y equals minus 52. Calculate the coordinates of its vertices. So this question here, the vertices are just the corners of the triangle. So to find the corners, if I know the equations of the sides, would be to do some simultaneous equations work between each of the lines, and from there I'd work out the corners or the vertices of the triangle. First of all, what I've done here is I've just rearranged the equations around to have the x term first, y term next, and equals 6, just to set it up to allow me to do the simultaneous equations. I'm going to use these two equations first and try and work out the coordinates of that point there. So what I'll start with will be 7x minus y equals 6, that will be my equation number 1, and 3x minus 8y is equal to minus 5, that's my equation number 2. To eliminate the y's, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply equation number 1 by 8. So 8 times 7 will give me 56x minus 8y, and that equals 48. So that's going to be my equation number 3. To eliminate, what I'll do is take equation 3, from that substitute equation number 2. So substituting, I will get 53x, and the 8's will disappear, so minus 8y minus 8, which is adding 8y, will disappear, and I have 53 at this side. So I know that x here is going to be equal to 1. What I'll do is substitute x equals 1 into equation number 1, and from there what I should get out is 7 times 1 minus y equals 6. So minus y is going to be equal to 6. Take away 7, which will give me minus 1, so y equals 1. So if I call my first point A, I've got x value 1, y value 1. Okay, what I'm going to do is just the same with the others. So what I'll start with is, for this next part, I'll start with these equations here. I'll go for these two here. So 3x minus 8y is equal to minus 5, equation number 1, and the 10x minus 9y is equal to minus 52. That's my equation number 2. So what I'll do is I'll just eliminate the y's just the same way as I've done up above, only what I'll do is I'll multiply equation number 1 by 9, and I'll multiply equation 2 by 8. Okay, right, let's go for that. So equation number 1 times 9, and what I should get from that will be 27x minus 72y, and that is equal to minus 45. Okay, I'll call that one equation number 3. I'm going to multiply equation number 2 now by 8. So multiplying that by 8, I should have 80x minus 72y, and if I work that one through, I should have minus 416. So that there will be my equation number 4. So to eliminate, I'll just do the same type of thing. I'll start with equation 4 and subtract equation 3 from it. From there, I should get 53x is going to be equal to, that's going to be minus 371. From there, dividing each side by 53, I can get minus 7 coming out there. So x coordinates minus 7. I'm going to substitute x equals minus 7 into, and I'm just going to keep with equation number 1. So substituting that in, I should be able to work out the y value from there. Okay, so I've got minus 8y is equal to, that's minus 21, bring it over there, should give me a value of 16, so y should be equal to minus 2. So the coordinates, say, of point B would be minus 7 and minus 2. Okay, right, so for my third part, what I'll do is I'll use the equations 7x minus y equals 6, use that one as my equation number 1, and the pair that I haven't used would be with 10x minus 9y is equal to minus 52. Call that one there equation number 2. Right, so eliminate the y, I'll just multiply this one here by 9 and that should work out for me. So equation number 1 times 9 should give me 63x minus 9y, and that's equal to 54. That's now my equation number 3. To eliminate these, I'll go for 3 take away 2. Okay. 3 take away 2, so again that's going to give me 53x. That's going to be equal to 106. Okay, so 54 minus 52, so that's going to be them added together. From there, just dividing through by 53, that's going to give me an x value of 2. I'm going to substitute x equals 2 into equation number 1. From there, I've got 7 times 2 minus y equals 6. So I've got minus y is equal to, so that's going to be 14. 14 coming over to the other side would be giving me, with the 6, will be a minus 8. So from there, y is equal to 8. So if I call that c, I've got an x value of 2, a y value of 8. Okay. So in summary, the vertices are, so for A, I've got 1, 1. B, I've got minus 7, minus 2. And for C, I've got 2, 8. Okay. To mark this one, what we'll do is I'll give you 1 mark for your x coordinate and 1 mark for your y coordinate for each one. So the marking will be that x equals 1. And what I'll do is I'll say that it must be the coordinates written together. And here I've got the x is minus 7, and it must be the coordinate written. And x equals 2, and the coordinate written. So for this question here, we'll go for 6 marks.